everybody, this is Crystal here. Welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to teach you guys how to create this beautiful beachy wave look without using your curling iron. It's super easy, so let's get started. So to achieve the look, I'll need your hair to be wet. In here, I have already washed my hair, and right now I'm just adding some heat protector and some coconut oil. The coconut oil is to help with my dry and damaging hair from all the coloring. And I will need your hair to be about 50% dry. And remember to prepare 2 hair ties for the braid that we're gonna do later. So right now I have already dried my hair, and I'm just gonna part it into 2, and afterwards we're just gonna do a regular braid like so. And when you're braiding your hair, I try to make the braid a little bit tighter, and I'm gonna leave about 2 inches at the end to create that beachy wave look. And now onto the other side. Remember to grab all your hair. I'm just gonna give it a little brush to smoothen the hair out. And I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. And remember, your braid needs to be tight. Like so. And again, I'm just gonna leave about a 2 inches hair at the ends. What I really like about this hairstyle is that we're not using a curling iron, so it's not damaging to our hair at all. And we're all done. Good morning, everybody. So I slept with the braids on, and please excuse my messy hair. So what I'm doing now is I'm just removing the hair ties, and you just use your finger and runs it through your braids like so. And same thing on the other side. One thing I really like about this hairstyle is that I can create so many different looks. You can have a ponytail, you can wear a headband, you can wear a hat, anything you want basically. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.